Welcome back to belly dance class. This is lesson 6 of Shape Up with Belly Dance, where we're toning our bodies and working our brains and relaxing our minds as we learn the beautiful art of belly dance. If you're a beginner and this is your first time in a class with us, consider going back and doing lessons 1 through 5 before this one. But if you like a challenge, stick with us because we do review, and then you can go back and do 1 through 5. I'm Jensuya, this is Bob. And we're going to begin our warm-up in basic belly dance posture, working our upper body, our arms, toning our arms, especially these things. Okay, so feet a couple of inches apart, knees bent, hips in, abs in and up, chest lifted, shoulders down. We're actually working very hard, but we want to look very relaxed. Work our balance here. Bring your arms up here. Keep the chest lifted, knees bent, abs in and up. Basic posture. Take our arms right down here. Then with the drum, we're going to circle our arms, starting in basic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fingers long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now down and up. 1, 2, 3. Keep the knees bent, abs in. Bring one arm down and snake arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going a little faster than we've done before. 1, 2, 2 beats. 1, 2, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Pose Aiwa. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Small snake arms with a shoulder roll layer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Bob's playing the beautiful Chiftitelli rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Should we really warm up our balance with a level change? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the other side. Arms up, down. Arms up and down. This is pose Aiwa. Facing each other. See how it looks different? Here it is on the diagonal. Abs in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Basic posture. Keep the knees bent. Abs in. Arms really extended. Chest open. Shoulders down. Now let's do snake arms over here on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is really working our core as well, because to get this arm over there and keep our upper torso straight, really working those muscles. 1 to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees bent, abs in. How about our painting arms in front? Pose Aiwa, working that balance, lift that toe. Oh my gosh, whoa, here we go. Better. Oh my gosh, how are you doing with that? Toes, now lift it. Really have to concentrate. Pretty good, better. It's hard to do it talking, because that's the thing about belly dance, is the idea is to listen to the music and respond to the music with your moves. So listening to the beat. Okay, how are you feeling? Good and warmed up? Okay, let's practice our chest circles and hip circles. Remember from the lesson before. So we'll start with the chest. Again, knees bent, abs in and up. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, front, side, and back. Keeping the chest up as we do these, I call these cardinal points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. To the other side. 1, 2, 3. Keeping our rib cage parallel to the floor. 1, 2, 3. That's what we're trying to do, which really seriously tones the abs. And how are our legs getting toned? Lost it here. 1, because our knees are bent and we're trying to keep our balance. 1, 2, hold it and back, and now we're going to smooth it out, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, the back, and go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. How about we do that with the hips? Hip up, pelvic tuck, hip up, and to the back. Here we go. With the knees always bent. You know it. Arms and basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hip, 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 hip. Side, front, side, back, side, front, side, other way. Side, front. Check in with your knees. Get them nice and bent. Abs in, chest lifted, shoulders dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Now hold it back and smooth it out the other way. Side, front, side, and back. Side, front, side, and back. Side, front. Whew. Now, if this is too rigorous, just bring your arms back down again. 1, 2, 3. Try to keep your elbows back, knees bent, chest lifted. Hold it to the back. We'll go the other way. I'll show you from the side. Whew. Side, front, side, and back. Side, front, side, and back. Side, front, side, and back. Wow. Are you feeling it? Where are you feeling it? I'm feeling it here, probably the gluteus medius. I'm feeling it in the outside of my shins. Oh my gosh. Feeling it in my legs and my abs. And I'm feeling it up here too, holding my arms up. Like we are toning the whole body and trying to stay focused, our minds too. Wow. All right, time for a new move. You may have already done this move if you've done our other 15-minute classes. We're going to do the hip slide. Again, in basic posture, knees bent, very important. Then we're going to slide our hips parallel to the floor by pushing them sideways and sideways. Sideways and side, keeping the knees bent. Side, 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 and side. As you may already know from if you've done that hip slide class, I call this the easiest move because it seems really easy, but honestly, it's kind of challenging because these muscles here have to be really flexible. Now, I know for myself, and this might be true for you too, depending on how tight they're feeling, my motion might be really small. 1, 2, 3, 4. The key thing you want to focus on is with the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this also does help with digestion because I can hear it happening. How about you? 1, 2, 3, 4. So knees bent, abs in and up, and we want to go with the beat, and we want that furthest extension that we can do at this point in your belly dance journey on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wow. Do you remember double hip drops? That's right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to learn a new move, vertical hip figure of 8, which is a combination of the hip slide and the double hip drop. Talk about toning our abs because we're hitting every muscle with that. So we're going to start out like this. We're going to start out with a hip drop, which on this side is going to be a hip lift. So we're going to think of not dropping that hip, but on lifting this one, sliding it out, dropping it over there, and sliding it back. Oh my gosh. Up, slide, down, and in. Up, slide, down, and in. This side. Up, slide, down, and in. Can you feel everything working? Up, slide, down, and in. Now what we're going to do is instead of doing that on 4s, we're going to do 2s. So we're going to to mush it together. We're going to go up and out. Not worry about the bringing back because we're going to go up and out on this side, which is going to bring that back. Are you with me? I know. Here we go. Let's just kind of try it, and then you can go back later in our figure of 8 class and do that in more detail. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and out, 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 up and out. Vertical, hip, figure 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2 beats per hip. Do you want a challenge? Of course you do. Let's do it in 1 beat per hip. Make them smaller. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip, 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 hip. Make them smaller. Keep the knees bent. Chest lifted. And the thing about this one is you can kind of let momentum help you. Now this might be really challenging or it might seem easier. Switch those hands. Now we can reverse that and go down, slide it. We can go drop it, slide, lift, and up. This side, drop it, slide, lift, and up. So if we scoop it that way, instead of scooping down, we're gonna scoop upwards. Should we try it in 2 beats? This hip again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Is that really challenging? How is that? Now, when I first started learning these, I loved them, but one way was more challenging than the other. I found this way more challenging. I still do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How are you doing with that? You need to leave me a comment and tell me, was this craziness? But again, you can go to our figure of 8 class, which will be in the description, and you can work on that one some more. So let's wrap with, our favorite, which is shimmy. So start with hip twists. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold those arms, Jensuya. Are you holding your arms straight? And we're going to double our time with it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now, full speed ahead. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2. So they get a little bit smaller. Maybe you can keep them big. Wow, now that is seriously toning everything. Okay, let's go to shoulders. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now with just singles, see if you can get your maximum range. You might feel it right here. So definitely after class, stretch, do some body work, rolling on lacrosse balls, whatever. That's what I do. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Let's do that in pose Aiwa so that we're really working our balance. It also looks really cool. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Take it to the other side. Pose Aiwa, toes. Check your balance. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. Back to basic posture. Full speed ahead. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Now you notice I just kind of gave Bob a wink. I was like, speed it up. But in the art of belly dance, the dancer's not in charge. The musicians are in charge. We're following the music, putting the music on our bodies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3. Level change. Working our balance, working our legs, working our shimmies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is a little combination that I teach that we do in one of our other tutorials. You can check that out afterwards also, because you're at lesson 6 and you are learning a lot. Now, when you are ready to slow it down and just take one at a time, do the 5-minute workout. You want more of this stuff, do the dancer, 5-minute dancer abs, do more 15-minute classes, and you know it. When you want to learn how to do it on your own, so you're not just copying me or just doing a workout, go to school.jensuya.com and check out the range of motion classes and introduction to belly dance. And my dear, we will see you at our next class.